tip for cleaning. Just as I do with my furniture, I like using a spray bottle to spray whatever furniture piece or object I'm working with and then wipe it down with a large sponge. It's so much easier than actually using a bucket or a rag. It just makes things so much easier. So for this 32-ounce spray bottle, I add 1 tablespoon of white lightening or TSP to the bottle of water, and then I just mix. It's super easy because I don't need to remix with every new project. This spray bottle just stays in the corner of my room. And whenever I need it to clean furniture, I pick it up and it's there to spray and clean down. So I just keep using it until it's all gone. And then I mix up a new batch. Using white lightning or TSP is very cost effective because you use very little for, like I mentioned, the 32 ounces of water in this spray bottle. So this one little jar will last a long, long time.